Hello, hello. Today we are going to make a yacht. Do you know how does a yacht look like? Well, it's right there in our book. So let's see how does it look? Well, it looks something like this. So, a yacht is a big boat. So, why don't we start seeing the instructions and start making this? That's brilliant. At first, let's make these dots so that we can make these lines. Well, yes, you are free to use a scale for this one. First, we are going to make this curve on both the sides and join this. That's lovely. Let's make another sleeping line at the bottom. Yes, we are going to join these dots together so that we can get the structure of our yacht. Now, we are going to make a standing line in the middle and make it a little thick. Yes, this is the rod. And now, why don't we make this part? Well, the bottom part is going to be the waves. So, let's start making these waves at the bottom part. This looks amazing. Now, we are going to take these two slanting lines and make it here. Let's make one more sleeping line. Well, you can have a freehand drawing or also use a scale for this one. Let's make these slanting lines. This is great. It's time for us to sketch it now. So, take the black sketch pen and start sketching. Remember, you need to start from where you stop. So, you do not have to overlap two sketch pen marks one on another. Trace it nicely. That's amazing. Complete tracing the entire yacht in a similar way. Yes, we are going to go on top of the pencil marks, and if you feel that you've made a mistake with your pencil, then you can actually rectify it with your sketch pen. Try and not make any mistakes with your sketch pen, as it is going to be difficult for us to erase it. Well, our entire drawing is completed. Now, we will take our eraser and start erasing. Let's do this together. Once we are done erasing all the pencil marks we see, we will start coloring, and well, that's my favorite part. At first, we will take yellow color and start with the outline. And then color inside. If you notice, we are not keeping any white spaces in the middle. We are going to color alternate boxes with this yellow color. What do you mean by alternate boxes? Well, you have to leave one part in the middle and color the next one. Let's grab our orange color and start with this part. This is a very thin part. Hence, half of your shape is going to be colored when you are actually giving it a border. That's okay. Whatever part you have in the middle, please color it well. Do not worry if you don't have the same shades mentioned in the book. Take the colors closest to it we are going to take red color for this part. So we are going to do the outline of the waves first and then the top part. This looks amazing. Now comes a very interesting part. Here we are going to color from a darker to a lighter maroon. So how do we do it? At first, we are going to only outline this part with pressing the color. After that, we will start making these lines by releasing the pressure from the color and slowly start coloring inside. And see, we've achieved this look. Let's take the same color and do these lines. This looks great. We are going to take green color for the flag. And brown color for the pole. Well, this is a very thin line, so we won't be able to outline it but color it directly. For the water, of course we will take blue color, so you can take whichever shade you have and color it lightly. Because this is how it's shown in our book, isn't it? This looks brilliant!